friends, focus on this video. I want to show you today the most important things that killing phone make phone die slowly. Please just focus on it. You will see what I'm saying. When it goes to your menu like this, maybe you find out your phone is moving fast. Maybe you notice it again. Maybe you want to go to the menu again, check it out. You see what I'm saying? If you find out again your phone is going slow like this, it's going slow, or maybe it's working, you need to uninstall some app from the menu so you not have some damages on the phone. You press back, you go back, or you press the on button, you go back, or you see some things that are going wrong on the phone. This is what I'm saying. You first switch your phone and on it again. When you see some such challenge like that, you switch off the phone and on it back again. Will be okay. Watch out again and see what I'm saying. Maybe you find out your phone is moving faster. You find out it's going slow and not supposed to be so. Finally, uninstall the app from the phone so that the phone will not go blind. This is this that killing phone. You hold it just a 1 minute, then you save all the routes, share, uninstall application details, and send to Apple Top. And you see all they say you tap the number 2 key to uninstall the app from the phone so that the phone will not have some infected virus can blind the phone and the phone will not end again. These are the things I'm showing you. These are the things that are killing the phone. Make phone go slowly. Then you press back. Then you press your minimize button. You will see some items on the screen. Don't forget to wipe it out from the screen. Wipe all the items. These are the things that killing battery slowly. You will not know. Maybe today now you will know it. Then when you go to your file manager, these are the things that causing virus on your phone, make your phone go slowly more and more. Please focus. You see what I'm saying? We click on the file manager, we unlock it. Then you go to your storage, the storage, and when you click on the storage, you will see some folder that is showing light yellow. Then you scroll up, we see the one that wrote hair and X hiding data. You see both of them are most different. The way you check it out, the one that wrote hair, that one is more original one. Then you look the other one, you will see the one that wrote X hiding data. That one is virus. It's showing there's a problem on the phone. You need to wipe it out from the phone. Let me show you the way example like this. Remove this folder, then you click on this delete here. Then when you tap it, you move out of the phone. Then you press up. Then let me show you example how to remove something like this, the folder that's causing virus on the phone. You tap it, then you tap the delete from the phone. You click on OK. You now will now wipe from the phone. Then the file manager, these are the things that causing virus on the phone. Make your phone go hang and slowly look, watch it. You will see, let's go up, let's go up, let's go up. You will see one the road question mark. This question mark is very dangerous. This folder is not friendly at all. This one is killing phone more and more. You may not know, but as from today, I'm showing you we are phone engineering. We used to treat phone more well, a phone is more stronger. We are showing you the way to use your phone to make it last for you. Please just focus on it. You see what I'm saying? All this one, the wrote question mark. You see something like this. The question mark. They write AJ 154745801 2. This one is not good. You hold it and one like 10 seconds. When you click on this delete to wipe it out from your folder, maybe you want to wipe all, you tap it like this, you mark all and press the delete button. Please don't forget, want to mark all, you hold it and press the delete button or wipe. These are the things that killing phone slowly. The most thing that affecting battery. Let me show you something like this. Let's go to the home, press the home key, then you minimize, you swipe your screen down, then you want to on your data. Firstly, If you want your battery to be lasting for you like 1 hour, maybe 30 minutes or 5 minutes, you turn off your you turn off your brightness. These are the things that kill a battery fastly. Anytime you on the brightness fully, brightness like this, it will kill your battery, and you on the data, you are giving the battery more pressure, and will not last up to 10 seconds. No, sorry, will not last up to 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Your phone will just go off. You'll now be complaining the phone is not good, it's very bad, it's you that's causing it. If you want to use your phone, please follow my procedure. You will see more idea to make your phone battery and your phone to last for you. First thing, you turn off the brightness, let it go down, and your data must be off. If you don't want to use it, you off the data, and off the brightness. Then if you want to use the phone on a, maybe you want to use it on the afternoon, you turn on the brightness slow, so it'll be in the middle. Then you start using your phone, or ever you want to use it, or you want to make a call, or you want to do something, then you press the home. And when you finish using it, please don't forget to turn off the brightness. Don't forget to turn off the brightness. Turn it off. This thing that's killing battery slowly. You may not know. These are the things that killing. The most important thing that's the battery. Maybe not. Maybe the battery maybe carry up to 1 hour plus, or 40 or 40 minutes. Let me tell you the things that make it battery run faster. This data, maybe you want to open something like app, or anything like app like this. You want to open anything like site. We start open it like this. You now session, maybe you're chatting with your friend ahead. All these items are killing battery because that data is already on top of the phone. Giving the battery more pressure, the battery will now run down. These are the things that make battery run down very fast. These are the things. Please, when you are pressing your home, you press the home like this. Then you turn off your data. Whenever your data be on, your battery will not last for you up to the hours you want it to be last. Don't forget, when you are using your phone, finish using it, turn off the data. Off it. It's not good at all. That is killing battery very fastly. It's killing battery. Then don't forget to tap on the lines like this to wipe out of your items on your phone. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Be blessed.